Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day.
See how the awesome passive income apps performed this week compared to last. New viewers? No sweat. Get a quick rundown of week 2 in the info card at the top right. Want to see the total passive income these apps brought in under a year? Check out my previous video where I dissect the numbers. Remember, earnings can vary based on location, internet speed, and app uptime. This is normal. Trying these apps lets you see what works best for you. Share your experience. Let us know how it's going in the comments below. Have questions? Don't hesitate to ask. Together, let's unlock our passive income potential. This week's MVP, Earn FM. Earn FM continues its strong showing, growing my passive income by an impressive 7.83% over the past 7 days. That's even better than last week's growth of 5.54%. I'm definitely impressed with their performance. Packetshare surges to second place. Packetshare rocketed to second place this week with a phenomenal growth rate of 11.7%. That's a massive leap from just 0.83% last week. Wowzers! Bytelixir claims the crown this week. My earnings skyrocketed a whopping 12.04% thanks to Bytelixir's amazing performance this week. They take the top spot this time around. See how each passive income app fared in our detailed breakdown. Remember, your results may vary due to location and internet speed. While Earn FM, Packetshare, and Bytelixir led the pack with impressive growth, Repocket and Salad also delivered decent results. Did you experience similar gains? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's build our passive income together. Okay. So, I had an interesting experience with Packetshare this week that I wanted to share with you all. Earlier this week, I noticed a significant discrepancy in my Packetshare earnings. Concerned about a potential glitch or security issue, I reached out to their customer support on Telegram. Initially, their response indicated that the displayed amount was my accurate earning. However, I promptly responded with evidence to the contrary. Thankfully, after nearly 24 hours, they acknowledged a glitch on their end and confirmed all my earnings were accounted for. If you've encountered a similar issue with Packetshare or any other app, please don't hesitate to speak up. Reporting these experiences helps hold companies accountable and ensures everyone gets a fair shake. Now, let's move on to see how my passive income contenders stack up. Honeygain continues to reign supreme, followed by the ever-reliable Salad. Packetshare is making a strong push for the top spot, sitting comfortably in third. Curious to see how these results compare to yours? Share your lifetime earnings journey with these apps or others in the comments below. Is Honeygain your long-term champion, or have other apps surprised you? Hope you enjoyed this peek into the world of passive income. Feeling inspired? Smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making goodness. Don't forget the notification bell so you never miss a trick. Want even deeper dives? Bookmark my website, link in the description. See you next time for more ways to make money while you sleep. Well, maybe not sleep, but definitely chill.